The standard canning books are way off on the yield of pickled beets. So what I'm going to do is, to go through this process, I'm going to give you the proper weights. I'm going to give you the volumes that work for 5 pints. You'll be able to adjust this to suit your own needs. I picked 15 pounds of beets out of my garden this morning because I want to make some pickled beets. Online it says 1.5 pounds of beets for every pint jar. From last year, I'm going to say you're probably going to get 15 pints out of these, but we'll see. But anyway, now I've got to wash these up and go from there. I'm going to get these washed up. You'll notice I left some of the stem on and left the root on so it doesn't bleed. For some reason they say put the big ones at the bottom. I was boiling water, but we'll do it that way anyway. This is a 5-gallon pot, and as you can see, it's almost full. So I don't know how that's only going to make 10 pints. I think it's going to make more than that. We'll get it boiling and boil it for 20 minutes to 40 minutes, depending on how long it takes to get them soft. They're actually pretty tender now, so I'm going to take them out of here and get them into cold water. My notes from last year states that the recipe in the Bernadine book, I barely had enough liquid to cover 5 pints of beets, so I'm going to add another 25%. So therefore, my pickling spice would be 3 3/4 tablespoon. Hope I can get it all in one bag. Okay, we're going to boil that for 15 minutes. Alright, fill this up and get it boiling. Okay, now that it's boiling, I'll set the timer for 15 minutes. And I'm going to boil for 15 minutes before I add the beets. So in the meantime, I'll get the beets in my jars ready. Skin feels very well. Now see how easy they peel off? Right, that's 10 cups. Well, I didn't get the video, but after the brine was done simmering for 15 minutes, I dumped the beets back in and brought them back up to a boil. Alright, now we're going to fill these up to 1/2 inch of vegetables. Okay, those are all that have to be tasted. So now what I got to do is get these rims cleaned right off. As always, I use vinegar, paper towel, make sure it's good and clean, and give this a wipe just to be on the safe side, but shouldn't have to do that. Band on. Center tight. Or center tight. If you over tighten it, they won't seal. Under tighten it, they won't do it. Okay, last one. Put a little bit of vinegar in here to keep the jars from getting cloudy. So I'm going to cover them at least 1 inch over top of the lids. Okay, you got to water bath can these for 30 minutes, but you got to adjust for altitude. Since I'm 1,000 to 2,000 feet, I'm going to have to do it for 35 minutes. So I'll get this thing set up. Now I got the vents open so that I do the time, 35 minutes. Oops, too close. press start. Wait for a good head of steam to come, and then I'll press start again. Okay, it's turned itself off. I'll build open the lid in a few minutes. Just gotta give the chance to pressure off. Let the pressure off. Okay, now I can open the lid. I'll close away from myself. And I'll let them sit for at least 5 minutes before I pull. Okay, over 5 minutes if they've been sitting in here, so take the doors out. As always, I've got to start get the first one out. So that I can't get the dirt collar in there. Dirt. There's a link in the description where you can print or download this recipe. Download for the day. That's 15 pints in total. This one's taller because it's a US pint. Yeah. Canadian 500 milliliter, big deal. So, anyway, now, the thing is, what I want to talk about is 1 pound per pint is about right. Actually, I had 2 extra beets. Just ended up freezing them, but I would go in 1 pound per pint with the tops cut off. Taller one. Yeah, so there are 15 pints of pickled beets. I had 2 extra in some of the batches I tasted, and they're good. Okay, it's the next day, they all sealed. 15 pints. Turns out I was right. 1 pound of beets with the leaves cut off like I did is enough for 1 pint of pickled beets. And also, for 5 pints at a time, like I did, 9 cups of sliced beets is enough for 5 pints. These didn't get canned. Tasted them yesterday and they're really good. So anyway, I hope you'll like this video, subscribe to my channel. Till next time, goodbye.